Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Accessibility Settings. This gives you control over shortcuts. Once there, tap Accessibility Shortcut to see available options and why each matters for quick access. You should pick features you use often, like Magnifier or VoiceOver, because that keeps interactions fast. Make sure to test each selection briefly so you confirm behavior. After selecting, practice invoking the shortcut once so muscle memory forms, and you know the exact sequence to trigger it when needed. Now you customize how the shortcut behaves and why that matters for reliability. You can choose a single feature for instant access or multiple features if you need flexibility. Select multiple only if you're comfortable cycling. Then set the activation method, triple press or long press, because physical gestures affect accidental triggers. Once set, reorder items if the device cycles through options. Put the most used tool first, so you save time when invoking the shortcut in real scenarios. Finish by testing and understanding common fixes so you don't get stuck. You should invoke the shortcut exactly as configured and confirm the selected feature activates. This verifies both function and your memorized gesture. If it fails or triggers the wrong tool, go back to accessibility settings to tweak selection order or switch activation to reduce false positives. If problems persist, restart the device. That often clears state issues. Finally, practice periodically so the process becomes automatic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.